We're now going to be playing craps from the command line. So I've put together a file called craps.py, and we're going to open it up in VS Code. So let's go over here. So hopefully you remember how to open this up. If you look in module 19, you'll see a bunch of craps.py files. We just want the one that's just by itself, craps.py. So what we have in here is I've just copied and pasted the exact same dice and craps classes that we have seen in the above videos. So here they are. Now at the bottom, if you scroll to the bottom, there's just a little bit of extra code. I'm going to explain what this means in a little bit, but let's just take a look over here. This is what's going to happen when we execute this file. All right, so yes, it's going to set the seed to 1, so it'll just pick, everybody will have the same exact dice rolls. It's going to instantiate a craps class with a $1,000 bankroll, and then it's going to play one round of craps betting $300. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up this terminal. And what we have to do here is make sure we cd into module 19 classes. And then we can list out, so there's craps. We can now play it. If I do python craps.py, that's how you execute Python files from the command line. We've learned this before. And now it's going to play that one round. Welcome to craps. You have $1,000. You bet $300, beginning stage 1, and we win immediately with a 2 and a 5, which is a 7. Okay, so that's how you can play this craps. Now, this is what it executed, and I'm going to cover this, like what this means and why this was used in order to execute this. All right, so that's how you can play one round of craps, is using this craps.py file. We are going to modify this, so don't modify it yourself. You're going to create a craps3 file that will play continuously until you go broke or until you just want to stop. All right, so that's how you can play craps from the command line.